Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. Step primary reproduction this video. Step wide variety to upload this video. And step number 3, earn $141. Earn $176 and earn 89. I have seen quite a few methods to make money online, but I have no longer visible anything pretty like this. This is nevertheless new, and you could be the first to get started out with this. It's still a low placing fruit where you can make hundreds of greenbacks according to Day. Simply by using copying and pasting motion pictures. You don't need any video relevant. You don't should be on camera. You don't even want to talk right into a microphone. Imagine simply sitting at your PC, making masses in line with Day, so you can assist your family improve your car or condominium, or even travel the arena. Simply pay close attention due to the fact at the end of this video, I am going to show you a way to make even more money quicker. So make sure you stay on this video to the end to not miss out wherein we educate you how to hack your manner to generating clean cash. Don't forget to join the channel and ring the notification bell to be up to date each time I add new and present day money-making films. Additionally, damage that like button and go away. Comment under if you have any questions, thoughts or tips. Now permit me show you the hack to getting cash. So I am going to show you how to make loads of dollars in keeping with Day through copy and pasting videos, and that is notable easy for you, even if you've by no means made any cash online. So step number 1 is to go to youtube.com. Here you want to search for puppies if you are a dog individual, or cats if you're a cat man or woman. As we can see, we are able to discover humorous canine videos with hundreds of thousands of views in the remaining 10 or 12 months, and you may see that those videos get crazy quantity of perspectives. Now what we need to do is to sincerely pause to filters right here, after which we need to click on Creative Commons. And in case you don't know what Creative Commons is, properly Creative Commons is a license that offers you a trendy way for content material creators to supply a person's permission to apply their work with the aid of marking your authentic video with a Creative Commons license. You are granting the whole YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. However, it is critical to peer that in case you mark your video with the CC BY license, you keep the copyright, so we cannot advantage any copyright of this. We're simply allowed to reuse and edit the movies that we discover. So here you may see that there is a ton of humans which have uploaded their video as the Creative Commons for us to apply. And as you can see, we get those cute doggy films which might be doping up. You have likely seen this earlier than all across the internet. However, one of the things that I teach is that in case you do entertainment, you may make little cash. There's now not that a good deal cash in entertainment. However, in case you do entertainment plus training, this is in which you can make the maximum sum of money. So we're gonna hold scrolling down here and spot if we are able to find some Creative Commons that has a few amusement and schooling in it similar to this one. As you could see, this video is amusement but additionally teaches you something inside the manner. So we're gonna click in this, after which cross directly to step variety to download that video. So all you need to do is to visit Google and search for YouTube downloader. As you may see, the first one is ytones.com. Just click on that. Now cross back to the canine schooling video, then reproduction. That link. Now all you want to do is simply replicate that link and put up it immediately into the YouTube downloader. Proper here, this is the video that we need to download, and pick the very best setting. Proper right here. Here you can just click on download step variety 3. Go to rumble.com. Rumble.com is a brand new video platform that has popped up. That is a YouTube competitor, and as you can see from this page, you can see exactly how a great deal those human beings have earned per video. So if we maintain scrolling down, you could see that human beings are creating wealth with this. And you is probably thinking, what number of human beings are without a doubt on this website? As you may see, rumble.com is honestly one of the quickest developing video websites at the internet proper. Now you could see it's sitting at 100 million visits per month. And the great element is that the traffic is absolutely from Tier 1 countries. So step range 4, click on check-in. Here simply click on create a Rumble account. Here you may see that they have a loose account, a writer account, or a commercial enterprise account, and also you have to, without a doubt, go along with the unfastened account. Now simply write out this kind of details, comply with the phrases and conditions, and then sign up your account. Now simply click here to spark off your account and you've got been efficiently confirmed. Now I'm about to show you the way to upload this video successfully and also make way more money from this quicker than simply the income. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and take into account to enroll in the channel and depart a like on this video. This helps me create new cash hacking films for you men. Now permits getting into the video for step variety 5. Click on add video right here. You may choose the video to add. So we are gonna go in our downloads folder, after which simply drag that proper in here once more. Now we need a video name, so we're going to move lower back to the real video and then replica that name. Now we are going to change it up a touch, bit similar to that, and then we want it to have a tiny video description, only a tiny quick paragraph proper right here, after which you may see that we can add a video thumbnail, like a custom one, but I really assume this one seems quite true, so we're gonna go with that, after which we want a few tags in right here as properly. Now we ought to have just uploaded that video right here. We also can timetable the video, but before that there is lots of money that you could make with just a tiny link in the description. Step number 6, go to clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate market where they have got hundreds of products that you can promote and get a fee for that product. All you want to do is click on sign up. Then you have to enter your information proper here, after which you may be part of Clickbank. Once you are internal, you'll visit the Clickbank marketplace, wherein they have a ton of classes, as you may see, about one-of-a-kind affiliate products that you could promote and make a commission for. Now what we are going to look for is K9 right here, and then click on search. Now what we need to do is sort the effects by gravity, which means the highest promoting K9 route. So right here we are able to see brain schooling for dogs, specific canine schooling, path clean, promote, and if you promote the sort of, you're gonna make a specific amount of earnings, which is quite cool. So how do you really promote this properly? All you need to do is click on promote right here. Then you could enter your account nickname and generate hop links right here. That is your affiliate hyperlink. If absolutely everyone is going through this link and buys via your hyperlink, you will make a selected quantity of greenbacks with every and each sale, which is quite cool. Right now you might be questioning, if you send this to any individual, what page do they honestly land on? So I'm going to show you the page right now. This is the web page that develops your dog's hidden intelligence to do away with bad behavior and create the obedient, properly behaved puppy of your goals. Perfect, identify proper right here. And now this is simply an extended shape sales letter. And as you may see, they've pretty photographs in right here. They actually have some motion pictures in here, and they even show some of the modules that they will undergo if they determine to select this up. So you can see here module 1, 2, 3, and all the different things that they may in reality get when they purchase. And all they need to do is click on instant get entry to and purchase this product for 47, and you may definitely get 75 of the commission for that sale. And because they can come up with such excessive commissions is that you recognize they have an email listing, and with a purpose to promote them increasingly things inside the future. So they're confident to provide you 75 commission just for that lead. So now all you need to do is step number 7. So after you generate the hop hyperlinks, you just click on copy right here and now go to bitly.com. Bitly will make your hyperlink plenty shorter and plenty nicer to look at. And as you may see, this tiny little link proper right here is way less complicated for them to click on than that lengthy, spammy looking virus kind. So now simply reproduction this pause again to your add once more, and here submit that link. Now we need a little header proper right here, which you can simply take from the actual canine education sales page, and you could replicate this proper here, and we are gonna trade it up a touch bit and then add click here now. So it's all you want to do, just click on upload proper here. But I trust that it is a higher manner for you to honestly create your very own contents. Now I am no longer speaking, approximately speaking into